Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Tanin Haikal Nidal Abdullah, Branch number 22375. So today I'm going to begin our presentation with introductions. First of all, I want to begin my presentation with the short meaning what is agriculture is. So agriculture comprises the cultivation of crops and the rearing of livestock. There are a lot of activities involving agriculture, for example, aquaculture, fisheries and forestry, which involve the production of both food and non-food goods. Agriculture has been given a tremendous impact on the economy of a country. Based on the statistics, it shows that around 10% of the Malaysia workforce is employed in the agriculture, fishery and forestry sectors, which contribute approximately 8% to the country's GDP. So based on that, the students need to be aware and learn that agriculture is very important not just for a country but to ourselves. So that's why the students need to learn the implementation of efficient techniques in crop production so that they can try to cultivate their own crops. So by involving ourselves into the practical sessions, we as a students can learn the implementation of efficient techniques in crop production. For example, we learn that the young plant is influenced by various elements and factors like pH levels, nutrient accessibility, electricity and water supply. So for the nutrient, we learn that the plant is very need in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So as our planting material for the practical sessions, choose pak choy as our planting material. Next, we move to the objective. So first objective is that to provide suitable growing conditions for the plant establishments. Second is to understand the basic nutrient requirements for the bok choy plants. Third is to learn how to prepare a drip irrigation and fertigation systems. And the last is to prepare how to do sticky trap and compost fertilizer.
My name is Muhammad Ali bin Murad, my metric number 225555, and I will continue with methodology. The first one is medium, utilizing cocoa peat as a nutrient-rich growing medium to cultivate and nourish the plant in an optimal and sustainable manner. This essential step in preparation involves a keen focus on maintaining the quality of the planting medium. The cocoa peat was chosen to create an ideal environment for plant growth. Through this task, we contribute to the foundation of a conducive planting medium, setting the stage for the successful cultivation of planting pak choy. The second one is fertilizers. Incorporating a balanced blend of water and compost fertilizer to provide essential hydration and nutrients, fostering healthy growth and vibrant development in our cultivate plant. Adding compost fertilizer is like giving the soil a healthy boost by mixing in natural stuff that helps plant grow better. Doing both of these things together creates a good environment for a plant to grow strong and healthy. It's like giving them a perfect mix of food and water to help them grow better. This activity is all about understanding what each plant likes and needs to make sure they grow well. The third one is protection. Sticky traps are employed in planting pak choy to effectively capture and control insect pests, ensuring a healthy and pest-free growth environment for the plants. And the last one is harvesting. Harvesting and taking care in planting pak choy entails regularly monitoring for pests, providing adequate water and nutrients, and harvesting mature leaf carefully to ensure a successful and thriving crop. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Amirul Hakimi Bedros Azlan and my metric number is 223734. Now I am going to present about the activities and the challenges faced when doing the practical lab. So firstly, one of our activities was preparing the growing medium for our plants. So the growing medium used in this practical was cocoa peat. In the first week, we filled in 2/3 of the poly bag with cocoa peat to be our growing media for the bok choy. Next, we prepared the fertigation system for our plants. So after making the growing media we then assemble the fertigation system and make sure that it is working properly so that the plants could get the nutrients equally. And third, when the seedlings are ready to be transplanted, we did the transplanting into our poly bags that we made and put it into the fertigation system. And after that, we also make sticky traps so that our plants do not get eaten by insects that was there. So we made the sticky traps by using a plastic sheet and some strong glue. The glue was pressed onto the plastic sheet in both sides to maximize the use of the plastic sheet surface. The sticky trap is then hung on a raffia rope which is tied on sticks at the end of the row of the plants. After that, we also made our own compost. So we made some organic compost to use as fertilizer for our plants. The way we do it is by tying a fence wire to become the container of the compost. Then we add layer by layer. Firstly, a layer of dry material such as dried leaves, sticks or even eggshells. And then we put a layer of wet materials such as food waste or other vegetable waste. And lastly, the layer is animal manure. We repeated this process until the compost bin is full. And lastly, we water it to start the composting process. Okay, so next is fertilizing our poly bags. So why we do this is because when rain comes down, all the nutrients from the nutrient tank would be washed away. So the plants would not get any fertilizer. So we put some fertilizer pellets into our poly bag so that there would be some fertilizer left when rain comes down. After that, we also prepared the stock solution of fertilizer to be put inside the nutrient tank when the EC reading of the tank gets low. These nutrients are pumped every day through the drip irrigation system by the motor pump. And we also use a pH meter to measure the pH in the nutrient tank to make sure it is not too acidic or too alkaline for our plants. And lastly, for our activities was the harvesting. Finally, after 6 weeks of transplanting, the bok choy is ready to be harvested. We harvested it from the roots and we clean it so that we can use it for consumption or for selling. And the next part is the challenges. One of the challenges that we faced during the practical was pests. But sometimes we could see bite marks or the leaves would look like it was eaten by insects. So we solve this problem by making the sticky trap like I mentioned earlier by using plastic sheets and strong glue. And the next challenge was rain. The practical lab we did was during the rainy season. So heavy rain will often come down and resulting in the nutrients being washed away from the poly bags. So the way we overcome this is by putting some fertilizer pellets. This is so that not all the nutrients will be washed away when rain comes down. And lastly, the challenges that we face are weeds. Weeds often grow in places that have nutrients. So during the practical, we could observe that sometimes weeds could grow in our poly bags. The way that we solved this was by plucking out the weeds every time we come to the class, so that we could maximize the nutrient that our plants can get. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Adil Iskandar Iskandar bin Nuzilam. My magic number is 225300. I'm going to present about the conclusion of this agriculture project. Through the process of growing bok choy, I have gained valuable insight into optimal planting of techniques and nutrient management. And utilizing ammonia acids as organic fertilizer and a fertilization solution proved crucial in providing the necessary nutrient for robust growth and showcasing my mastery in cultivating the terrific plant. Overcoming pest challenges by employing the sticky trash demonstrated my commitment to eco-friendly practices. Additionally, the implementation of the composite system utilizing various materials showcased a dedication to sustainability, ensuring that my gardening processes were not only producing but also environmentally conscious. And addressing slow growth with effective tips and establishment of a fertigation system highlighted my adaptability and innovation. This system efficiently distributes nutrition and water, streamlining and cultivation process. This experience has not only equipped me with practical knowledge in plant care, but also has fostered a deep application appreciation for agriculture and the creation of a green thriving environment. And this will lead our country to a sustainable green development and a good way to grow plant and make our country look also green. I hope this effort will not only end here, and it will keep going on from time to time. That's all from us, group PRT group, for this course PRT 2992009. And this is the end of video. Thank you for all the lecturers that is cooperating and all the members that are cooperating for this project. Thank you very much, and this is goodbye.